Once upon a time in a bustling street of Manila, a young and brilliant Jose Rizal crossed paths with the enchanting Segunda Katigbak. It was the year 1877 and Rizal, a budding scholar, found himself captivated by the grace and intellect of Segunda, a daughter from the esteemed Katigbak family of Batangas. Their encounter sparked a flame of admiration in Rizal's heart, leading him to compose heartfelt verses dedicated to Segunda's beauty and virtues. In a tender gesture, he penned the immortal lines of a La Ventud Filipina, a poem honoring the Filipino youth with Segunda as his muse. As their friendship blossomed, Rizal found solace and inspiration with Segunda's company, sharing dreams of a brighter future for their beloved homeland. Yet destiny had other plans as Rizal pursuit of knowledge led him far from Segunda's side, across ocean and continents to the halls of European academia. Despite the distance, the memory of Segunda linked with Rizal's heart, shaping his thoughts on love and the plight of women and society. Through his literacy, works, and impassioned writings, Rizal championed the cause of equality, drawing from his experience with Segunda and other remarkable women he encountered on his journey. Through their time together was fleeting, the bond between Jose Rizal and Segunda Katigbak remained an enduring testament to the power of youthful love and the transformative influence of shared ideals in the annals of Philippine history. Their story served as a flagrant reminder of Rizal's humanity and his unwavering devotion to the aspiration of his people. Welcome viewers, today infotainment segment where we unravel the fascinating tale of Jose Rizal relationship with Segunda Katigbak. Join us as we journey back in time to explore the romance that ignite amidst the page of Philippine history. Jose Rizal. Segunda, with every stroke of my pen, I pour out my heart to you, my dearest. Your grace and intellect inspire me beyond words, and through miles may separate us. Know that my love for you knows no bounds. Segunda Katigbak. Jose, your words will fill my soul with joy and longing. Thoughts through ocean may divide us. Your presence lingers in every whisper of the wind, reminding me of the love we share. Narrator. As Jose Rizal and Segunda Katigbak exchange letter and how heartfelt sentiments, their bond grows stronger with each passing day, despite the challenges of distance and society expectation. Their love defied the odds and flourished against all odds. Narrator. Yet, like all great love stories, there was not without its trial. Rizal's pursuit of knowledge and passion for revolution led him far from Segunda's side, leaving their hearts yearning for each other across continents and oceans. Jose Rizal. Segunda, through the world may fall us apart, know that you will always reside in the dearest chambers of my heart. Your love fuels my determination to fight for a better tomorrow for our beloved Philippines. Segunda katigbak. Jose, as I hold your image close to my heart, I find solace in the memories we share. Through our paths may diverse, our love remains an eternal flame, guiding me through the darkest of nights. Narrator, as we bid farewell to Jose Rizal and Segunda Katigbak, let us remember that their love story transcends the pages of history, inspiring us to cherish the timeless bonds that unite us all. Theirs is a testament to the power of love, resilience, and the enduring spirit of the Filipino people. Thank you for joining us on this journey through love and history. Until next time, may will be guided by the light of love in our hearts. Thank you.